Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's video will be unboxing of one of our newest, most popular colorways, 18K Ambassador. We're gonna get into the details of the watch and how to style the watch. So stay tuned and stay locked in. Okay, so before we start breaking down the details of the watch, let's check out the box. It does have this protective sleeve on it, which does state the part number AM186SS, which stands for stainless steel. So removing the sleeve, the first thing you see is this really big M. It is embossed. Under that is the MSTR, abbreviated for Meister, and it does feel really smooth. Even the box feels really sturdy. It's got a really smooth texture to it. Another quality that I absolutely love about the box is the magnet feature. When you open it, it does reveal the watch, and when you go to close it, it snaps in, and once you hear that snap, that means it's locked in. Opening the box, you do see this black insert, and the texture is very, very nice. It matches the texture of the box as well. It's really smooth. You also have in gold foil the M with the MSTR, Los Angeles, California, established in 2009. Okay, so behind that is the instructions on how to set your Ambassador. So let's pull this out, and that shows you how to do the functionality of your 6-hand chronograph, as well as an application card. Okay, so now that we broke down all the details of the box, let's get into the watch. Having the watch in hand, the first thing you're going to notice is this absolutely stunning 18K polished gold case. And guys, this thing shines from all angles. This is also the first time that we have done an 18K colorway, so you can see this gold, the way it shines. I mean, it came out absolutely perfect. Even our signature 8 hexagon bolts are polished to match the case. The face is matching 18K gold, and that really ties in the details from the case to the face. The Roman numerals are polished as well as the M and the MSTR. So little small details that really tie in everything and brings everything together, and they mesh together so well, and that just gives you a really stunning look. The case is made of NASA grade 316 stainless steel, and you do see this Meister engraved on the side. It's a small detail, but definitely stands out. On the other side, you do have the M on the crown, and the M is engraved as well. Again, another small detail, but it definitely does tie in the craftsmanship of Meister. The movement for this watch is a Japanese Seiko 6-hand VD53 chronograph movement that does feature a date, day, and timer. The band featured on this Ambassador is a full stainless steel, but like all Ambassadors, you can switch it out to either a leather band or another stainless steel version colorway. And all you have to do to switch out this band is pull down both of these latches together at the same time, and it will release the band. Let's check out some of the details on the back of this watch. You see the Ambassador logo that is engraved on the back, as well as the part number. You see that it is limited, and this is number 33. All Ambassadors are water resistant to 100 meter, Japanese movement, and it does have the serial number as well. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up the details of this watch. If you like this video, guys, please show some love and smash that like button. Please subscribe. Also, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments. We do check them daily, guys. We respond to them as quick as we can. Also, stay tuned for this watch to see lifestyle shots of it on wrist and how to style the watch as well, guys. Have a good day.